Oh, Lenarita, how I won't get to see your beautiful face anymore. Who's that at my chamber door? Oh my gosh, you're black!
It is I, the Raven, and you will never see your beautiful Lenore again. And I'm here to make your life hard.
That sucks, man. I'm here to make his life miserable.
Can I get one corn dog and a drink, please? Thanks.
Nevermore. I'd like a corn dog, please.
Oh, Tina, you beautiful lord. I thought I would never love anyone after... Oh, I don't want to talk about it. Oh, I feel like the Raven's around. He always messes up everything I have. But I guess he's not.
I like blackbirds.
Nevermore.
Well, see, there was this girl that just kind of, left me for this black bird, and there's this fact that I've been hearing that once you go black, you never go back, and it's really starting to hit me, so I just don't really know what to do.
Sounds terrible. You need to tell me more about it.
Nevermore. I'll pay you more.
All right. Your keys.
Thank you. I've been needing a car lately. It's been bad.
Nevermore.
Why do you keep doing this? I just want to pee and I can't even pee anymore. Like, really? I hate you.
It's been a hard day on the farm working. Time to get me some rest.
Dude, seriously, I don't roll like this. I don't care how you are or anything, but nuh-uh. Black Bird just keeps messing everything up. He's running my life. My life sucks.
Seriously, stupid blackbird, why you keep running my life? Never leaving. I'm gonna need you to because
Nevermore.
seriously, I'm out.
You gotta come home sometime.
No.
Most 78.
Look at my muscles, bruh.
79? 179.2.
Dude, you look like the
And
same
what
weight.
you
I
used to
wasn't
weigh?
that idiot.
You have to be black.
I was in that.
He's black. No one likes him. I can't keep it. I forgot what I had. I won't get to see your booty again.
Replay. What'd you say?
I said booty. I won't get to see your booty.